The top 5 most expensive keto foods on the planet. Well, the keto diet has gained immense popularity in the fitness world, both for its effectiveness in weight loss and overall health enhancement, with the cost-effective and easy-on-pocket foods in this diet regime. Yet, there are some super luxury and highly expensive foods in the keto basket. Yes, pricey foods that literally rip your wallet off. But does that pocket-tearing high price point really justify itself? What special nutritional value and health benefits these luxury foods offer you? Will all the beautiful ladies fall crazy for you? Or the ladies watching this would get the hottest men out there? Will you get an immediate promotion at your job, or what? Let's find out. And there is an exciting announcement for you all at the end of the video. Do check that out. This is Shape Squad, your trusted partner in nutritional health and fitness journey. So friends, let's explore our exquisite selection. The top 5 most expensive keto foods. Here we go. Number 5. Avocados. Renowned as nature's butter, the avocado is the poster child for luxurious health foods. If you were to indulge in an upscale avocado-based dish, say a gourmet avocado toast or a sophisticated salad, you'd be looking at a price ranging from $8 to $12. But why is this creamy fruit worth such a price? Well, avocado is a nutrition powerhouse. It is loaded with monounsaturated fats, which are heralded for their heart-healthy properties. These fats have been linked to reduced inflammation, lower bad cholesterol levels, and improved cardiovascular health. Apart from fats, avocados are abundant in dietary fiber, aiding digestion, stabilizing blood sugar levels, and keeping you full for longer. Now, that's also vital, not just only for weight management, but for overall well-being as well. This expensive, yet mineral-loaded fruit helps to have improved muscle function, better skin health, and reduction in oxidative stress. Got it, boss. Tell me the next one. Number 4. Macadamia nuts. When one thinks of opulence in the world of nuts, macadamias undoubtedly come to the mind. For a lavish serving of these rich, buttery nuts, you're looking at a price point between $20 to $25. Yes, a bit expensive that is. But macadamia nuts are a nutritional marvel. Predominantly composed of monounsaturated fats, they're champions in promoting heart health. Regular consumption can lead to better cholesterol profiles and reduced inflammation, which is also crucial for overall vitality. Being full of healthy fats and vital minerals, macadamias also greatly aid in weight loss management. A good bone health, reduced oxidative stress, and improved metabolism are results of macadamia consumption. Moving on, the final 3 foods will really blow your mind up. Number 3. Grass-fed beef. Well, there's beef, and then there's grass-fed beef. This premium meat is known for its distinctive taste and texture. It can set you back anywhere from $35 to $40 for a top-notch steak meal. Price getting higher. But what warrants this high price? Well, grass-fed beef is nutritionally superior to its grain-fed counterpart. It boasts a healthier fat profile, enriched with omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are not just crucial for brain health, but they also play a significant role in weight management. Their anti-inflammatory properties ensure overall wellness. And the high protein content of the beef highly aids in muscle maintenance and growth. Grass-fed beef is a prime source of essential nutrients like iron, zinc, and B vitamins, making it a really hot choice among the keto foods. Number 2. Wild-caught salmon. Did you know, in the piscatorial world, wild-caught salmon reigns supreme? For a gourmet salmon dish, be prepared to spend between $45 to $50. Well, the high cost is justified when you delve into its nutritional credentials. Salmon is a protein powerhouse. It helps in ensuring muscle maintenance and promoting satiety. But its crowning glory is its omega-3 fatty acid content. These fats have been linked to numerous health benefits, ranging from enhanced brain function to improved cardiovascular health. Effective weight management is also achieved with high metabolism rate and reduced body fat by consumption of this fish. Okay, before moving to our most expensive keto food, do tell us about your favorite food in the comments below. So, finally, number 1. Truffle oil. At the top of our exclusive list, incorporating truffle oil into a dish can elevate its cost to an impressive $60 or even more. Truffle oil, with its intoxicating aroma. It's an excellent source of monounsaturated fats. It vastly helps in promoting heart health and aids in ensuring prolonged feelings of fullness, essential for weight management. Moreover, truffle oil can elevate the taste profile of any dish, making the eating experience truly gourmet. And this sense of luxury and indulgence can make a keto journey more enjoyable and sustainable. Do hit the like button if you found this video interesting and informative. And now the announcement. If you want to get a chance to win a free basket of these luxury keto foods, subscribe now to Shape Squad and share this video further with your friends and dear ones. Do not forget to write down your name in the comments. We'll pick a lucky winner from the viewers who share the video to maximum number of people. Terms and conditions apply. So, we'll be back soon with our next amazing video. See you.